You stop, man. It's okay, man. You want to eat cornflakes? Hmm? What do you want? I don't know. Yes, man.
Say hi to my phone. So guys, I made egg sauce and yam, and see, someone just had another plate. Baby, you just ate your breakfast.
How do you mean?
Which one is how do I mean?
Breakfast in the night.
Why will you eat 3 times? What kind of thing is that one?
The food was delicious. It's my fault. Very delicious.
That's what I'm saying. Congratulations, like, just successfully eat your breakfast now. Is that not the game plan? Or did you?
But I get my breakfast ready in the morning. Because I can't go out hungry. Except I'm fasting. I'm preparing to fast tomorrow. Thank you, baby.
Good night.
I love you, baby. Good night.
Who used to say that?
I don't used to say that.
Who?
You.
I used to say what?
Yeah. Damn bro, Banza.
Let's see you enter and learn it.
She is teaching me.
That nonsense.
Damn bro, Banka.
Shut up.
And Banzan.
Guys, this guy will just be insulting people in Hausa.
Banza.
One day you say it in that Malan's place, the Malan will just slap you. Anyways, how are you guys doing? My chest is not showing, baby. And even if it's showing, it's not content. I thought you were an understanding husband. Anyways, guys, me, I'm going to bed. This man is still here, still doing. Baby, stop saying that now. That thing is insult now. That thing is insult. How can you really job work with that thing? Don't even go and say it's one of the Hausa malams and they will come and slap you. Good night. Let me stand up. Let me go now. Let me go. Please now, let me go and sleep. Anyways, I'm going to sleep, guys. Every time I'm good night.
Good morning, guys. It's morning for me because I'm not sleeping yet. I'm working now. I'll sleep when it is.
It is what it is. Bye bye.
It is what it is, guys.
Guys, wait, let me off this phone. I think you guys can hear me clearly now. Guys, it's frustrating that you create a video, at the end of the day the clips were deleted. Who deletes the clips? Aveg. Jesus Christ is Lord. I was trying to clear some old videos that were in my phone, and the vlog I was supposed to upload today being vlogmas balava. I don't see the clips again. My body was so cold. My body is cold even till now. All the effort I put. These are some of the challenges content creators go through that you guys will not know or you guys will not see. I don't even know what to say. Like, it's just funny, but it's paining me. Let me know if you're a content creator and if you mistakenly delete your clips, how do you feel? It's paining me to the point that this video is not even up to 6 minutes long. It's just 4 minutes plus, and the rest of the clips are deleted, even where my husband ate the puff puff and every other stuff. Away box shooting wahala. When your box shooting content is a whole lot. Anyways, I'll just take it as a good faith, and that's why I have to come up with me just coming to talk to you guys so that I can add it up to the clips of that particular video that was deleted. So after knowing the kind of problem or the kind of things we face as a content creator, and you're watching this video and you are not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? I always say that recently I noticed that a lot of persons that watch my videos, they have not subscribed. One of my video hit 1.6k views, and I was like, is this me? Is this more? Anyways, I'm so grateful, and that is not the spirit of giving up. If one of my videos can just pick up, one of my vlogs, I'm so grateful if you can pick up and hit 1.6k. That is to say, more vlogs or more videos are going to be picking up, and that's my prayer. I believe that after this ending of vlogmas, by starting of 2024 to the end, we're going to be hitting 100 subscribers, okay, 100k subscriber plus. I'm not even going to stop at that 100 because that's the goal. We're going to be doing more of our uploads, trying to upgrade our equipment and every other stuff, okay? Yeah, so good. It's annoying when you don't plan videos and you just come to sit down here, you just be saying rubbish. You will just be saying rubbish, trust me. You need to script your videos down, and so that you can come and see something that is making sense. So far so good. Vlogmas, I don't know what to say about vlogmas until the end of vlogmas. I don't know what to say. I don't want to come to conclusion yet to say if it's better uploading every day. Another thing is, it's not uploading videos every day, that is the main thing. Is uploading videos that is making sense, videos that is meaningful, videos that are educative. Like, different things comes to content creating, and the moment you realize that, the better for you. Forgive this hair, okay? This video was not a planned video. In fact, that's why you're seeing that the hair I used in doing that particular video is totally way different from what I'm wearing. Like, even my hair, everything is way different. Imagine, you guys are gonna see where I did these nails, but we move. We'll continue to create till we get tired of creating. Do we get tired of creating? We don't get tired of creating because it's our lifestyle, and the good part of creating lifestyle content is the fact that you get to have a lot of documentaries. You get to see your growth even as a young lady. You get to see your children's growth, you get to see your husband, you get to see your friends' growth, like different stuff. You know, you get to fall back to some of these videos and be like, oh, I was like this so years, I was like this so time. And that's one good thing I really love. That's the fun part of YouTube for me, the documentary aspect. Okay, that's the fun part of YouTube for me. I did not say that is the priority that brought me to YouTube. You guys know that the priority that brought me to YouTube is making that coins. It's making that coins. Okay, so let me not blab too much. Let me bring this to an end. Thank you so much. Please do subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to drop me your comment. And lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get these vibes I'm bringing on your table. And yeah, without further ado, I do like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, I love you guys. Bye.